Hey, hi, Dr. Indu Agarwal ji, right?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for coming to ET Health Award, powered by Heaven Dexa. First of all, I would like if you can introduce yourself to our audience, and then we will further.
I'm Dr. Indu Bansal Agarwal. I'm the Group Director and Head of Radiation Oncology at Paras Health Gurugram, and I've been looking after cancer patients for close to 30 years
Oh,
now. And it is actually a very rewarding field, I must say, because when any patient is diagnosed with cancer, then it's not just the patient, but it's the
it's
whole
entire
family
family, yeah,
which gets affected. So if
absolutely.
I'm able to bring a little smile on the
To
face
them,
of the patients or
their
heal
family members.
them and send them with a hope,
Correct.
because now so much advancements has happened in the cancer field that now our
Correct.
patients are living longer and longer. Even stage 4 patients, they are living a very good quality of life and they are living for many years. So I'm very happy to be in this field, and a lot of advancement is happening in this field.
Yeah,
So
correct.
I think this oncology space is one space to watch for in
Absolutely.
future years, because oncology number of patients are going to increase by about 77% in the coming years. So
If I talk about India versus foreign countries, those who have more equipments, better in their facilitation in the cancer patients for them, which is, do you think it is India is still recovering, or it will take more
So
time?
I think that's a very good question, but I can just say that India is not at all behind. I think we have the best of equipments, we have the best of technology, we have the best of doctors, and I can very proudly say that India has the best of infrastructure, empathy, compassion, and care.
Oh,
And we are doing better than any of the country. I can't say that they are advanced. I think we have everything here to take care of our patients.
so
So
I can apologize because I have the information. Still, the foreign countries are much bigger than.
no, so they are coming to us for treatments.
That sounds great. And
Yes.
how you feel when they holding the award like in the ET, recognized by them with such a big platform?
So I think I owe this award to all my patients, because I am here because of their trust in me, because of their belief in me,
Correct.
and because I could see myself in that place. And I thought that if I was a patient someday,
Correct.
how would I like to be treated? So that is only the mantra which has kept me going. And as I said, my mantra is very simple. Did I bring a smile to my patient after talking to them? So that's it. So this award is not mine.
Yes.
It's for the patients, my parents, my family, and
Great thought.
for
Great
all the
thought.
organizations where I've worked.
Absolutely right,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much.
Absolutely. Just the last thing, being as an Havendexa, which is a fraction ownership platform, you heard our presentation also.
Yeah.
What do you think as an investor? Is it good for you, or is it good for the investors?
So I think I really like the name Heaven Dexa. So you are indirectly saying that we will take you to heaven. So I think it looks like a very promising platform,
Correct.
and it looks like a genuine, honest platform where we can trust on them, because otherwise this market is so fuzzy, and for us it's a very hard-earned money.
Absolutely.
So I would be really, pick and choose where to put my money.
Correct.
But I think after listening to that presentation, my hope in real estate is coming back.
Thank you.
Thank you so
And
much.
you are absolutely right. The name Havendexa was chosen in a very long time. It takes 1.5 months to think over it. Havendexa actually is a combination of two words, Heaven plus Dexa. Heaven is the safest place, as you know, and Dexa is the intelligence and the cleverness which we thought about.
Okay.
So it is a Greek word, so that's how it has
Thank
come.
you so much. Wishing
Thank
you
you.
all the best, and may your Heaven Dexa achieve new heights.
Thank you,
every
ma'am.
day.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you
so
for your
much.
wishes. Thank you.
Thank you.